are going to do cranberry lemonade Spritzer. I Spritzer, you Spritzer, we all Spritzer. So what we're going to need for this one is, what's that? What? Oh. This guy over here. Why mocktails? Well, I'll tell you why. In those important 9 months of pregnancy, we need to abstain from alcohol. But we also want to have some fun. So here's a great alternative. It's called a mocktail. It's a cocktail without the booze. Keep it sober, keep it safe. All right, let's get into it. So we are having cranberry lemonade Spritzer. So what you need for this recipe is cranberry juice, lemon, club soda, the only club I'm going to, bubbly. So you can use any of the kind of carbonated things if you're not a big club soda fan. And then I do like a little Spritzer lemon just to fancy it up. So I'm going to use this big old wine glass here just because I want something a little bit more fancy. This may be great for if you're doing like a baby shower, have people come in, help yourself. Maybe even an evening if you're having one of those cheese and mocktail evenings. So yeah, it's a great simple one. Okay, we're going to dive right into it. So first I'm going to do half a cup of cranberry juice. Pour this in. And then this says half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, a half a cup. Who's got time for that? Ready? Whoa. There we have it. Half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then next, very simple, you're gonna add your tonic water or your club soda or your bubbly. Look at this. Doesn't this just look like fun? Woo, look at me. Extraordinaire. Wow, that just looks like fun in a glass. Let's add a lemon. Awesome. Come join me.